Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to change a Nissan Versa key fob battery. First, gather your tools, a small flathead screwdriver and a fresh CR2032 battery. Next, locate the small release button on the side of your key fob. Press this button firmly and pull out the emergency key. This key will help us access the battery compartment. It's a simple process that anyone can do at home. Now that the emergency key is out, insert the tip of your small flathead screwdriver into the slot where the key was. Gently twist the screwdriver to pry open the key fob casing. You should hear a slight click as the two halves begin to separate. Be careful not to force it, as the plastic can be delicate. Once separated, you will see the internal components. With the key fob open, you'll see the old battery. Take a moment to note its orientation, usually with the positive side facing up. Use your small flathead screwdriver to carefully pry out the old CR2032 battery. Once removed, insert the new CR2032 battery, ensuring the positive side is facing up, just like the old one. This ensures proper function and connection. Finally, align the two halves of your key fob and press them firmly together until they click securely into place. Make sure there are no gaps. Then, slide the emergency key back into its slot until it locks. Test your key fob to ensure it's working correctly. If you're looking to upgrade your home tech, check the description for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals. It's a fantastic way to enhance your daily life with smart features.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.